In reference to making money online, priceless ideas are in this video. Great success has always gone to those who have worked the hardest. While that may mean putting in many hours of the day to make that money, the results can be stellar. This video will guide you through some ideas which can help you make money online without working too hard. Some online money-making opportunities are scams. There are so many options for online income, but some are not that attractive. Read reviews of any plan you want to implement in your online strategy before you sign on the dotted line for anything. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. While working hard will bring you great rewards, working efficiently will leave you the work-life balance you dream of. The tips here will ensure that you make your work online more efficient. The more tips you implement, the greater the results you will see. So try them all out today. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.